Hello, my name is Dean Pompilio, and I'm an instructor for ACS Training and Technologies. I've been an IT professional since 1989. Since 2011, I've trained thousands of students from the U.S. government, the U.S. military, and various diverse corporations around the world. I've also earned nearly 20 certifications from ISC², CompTIA, EC Council, and OSACA. Today, I'd like to discuss a new class called Cybersecurity Strategy and Implementation. This course is intended for Chief Information Officers, Chief Information Security Officers, Chief Technical Officers and IT Directors, Cybersecurity Managers and Architects, and also Cybersecurity Analysts and Engineers. In this course, we'll be discussing how to develop a strategy and to choose a framework, and why security assessments and risk assessments are so important. We'll also explore the best guidance available to create a roadmap for implementing your strategy and plan. Then we'll wrap up with best practices and regulatory compliance. Several case studies will also be discussed to help illustrate various concepts and principles. I'm looking forward to this course, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.